Hi, my name's Gavin Rain, and here is my weather forecasting app for the Transversals unit. So let's go through my app. So over here is the app, and as you can see, we started on the menu screen, and over here is the code. Before I actually click anything, I'm going to go over one part of the code. So this whole section right here is what actually gets the data for us. So with code.org, you can go to the data and get it from the data table, and this is how we retrieve it. So I have variables for each of the columns that I need to use, and then I use the getColumn function to actually get all the data and put into a list. So for example, a city list. Now I can, when I need to get the cities, I can go through that list and get all the different cities I need. Now let's actually start the program. So I'm going to click Run, and as you can see, we start on this menu screen, and this is a bit different from the previous interface or the starting interface, and the reason is because I added some extra functions to the app as a part of number 4, the going further section of the rubric. So let's start on the main idea of it though, the random forecaster. I'll click on that. And pretty much what you do with this part is you just click this button and it'll give you the random forecast of a random city in the United States for tomorrow. So it gave us Rapid City, South Dakota, and the high will be 69 degrees, the low will be 48. And down at the bottom it gives you the description, so broken clouds, and over here it gives you a little icon. You can click this again, no need to reset, and it will give you a new one. San Juan, Puerto Rico, 84 high, 77 low, light rain, and it gives you a little icon. So it's very easy for that to just continue to get random forecasts if that's something you're interested in. And yes, this is getting the second day, and the code for that is right here, function, so the function filter to second day. This is what's going to get us the data only for the second day, because there are 5 days available in our data table. We only want the second day. This is the code for that. I'm going to go back to the menu, and I'm going to look at the different aspects of the app now. So the next thing I added to it was a detailed forecast. So this is kind of like a weather app on your phone. It lets you select a city, and it gives you a forecast for 5 days in the future, or today plus 4 days in the future. So I'm going to choose Los Angeles, Oxnard, and I'm going to get the forecast, and it will put the name of the city right there. It will put all the icons, the high temperatures in bold, low temperatures in regular text, and it will give you the inches of rain and snow as well as the humidity percentage. So and this is very easy. You can just kind of look at this and get information about any city on this list. So let's go to Melbourne. I think it's Melbourne, Florida, and get forecast, and you can see it does it again. And as you can see, rain inches 3 inches. So yes, it does work, and it gives you different information about the weather in different cities. Now let's go to a different aspect. Where is it? So this one is kind of a fun aspect of this app. So you can select a temperature range in Fahrenheit, and so let's say I want to go 81 to 100, and it will give you a random city that it has a temperature in that range today. So if, let's say you want to go on vacation somewhere, this could help you and say, okay, I want to go on a nice warm vacation, 81 to 100 degrees. Where can I go? Well, we can go to San Juan, Puerto Rico, go to San Angelo, Brownsville, etc. And it will keep giving you more. It will give you random ones. Let's say maybe we want some snow, 0 to 20 degrees. Okay, Anchorage, I think that's the only one that shows up. It's probably the coldest place in the country right now. Maybe let's go to a little warmer, and we'll see. Cleveland, okay. Let's see what else. Green Bay. So it will give you different things. And then let's say, because I don't think it's below 0 anywhere in the country right now, if you do this, it will say no cities. And the same for greater than 100. Let's go to the final aspect of the app. Kelvin is better. I do believe that Kelvin is a superior measurement to Fahrenheit, and that's why I created a conversion. The aspect to this app, I just think there needs to be a Kelvin option. So let's go back to California. Let's select Eureka. And I'm going to select, I want to know what the temperature tomorrow is going to be in Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin. And the high will be 290 Kelvin, and the low will be 284 Kelvin. Interesting. Okay, let's check the next day. Okay, 285 Kelvin and 283. So it will give you the temperature in Kelvin, and I actually would like to look at the code for this one because it's very simple actually. It's really just a math or algebra, I don't know what you say, a math equation. So what I do is I set the high temperature of Kelvin equal to the high temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8 plus 273.15. And what this is pretty much is this part that I'm mousing over is to convert to Celsius, and then this part is to convert to Kelvin because you need to get to Celsius first to get to Kelvin. Otherwise, that is pretty much it for my app, and that does all the functions. I guess one more thing is this menu is how you navigate through the app. I wanted to emulate a phone app where you can always, the menu either gets you to the menu or away from the menu, so you can click this on any screen and it will get you back to that screen if you'd like to return. But that's pretty much it. And each of these buttons, it really emulates like what a phone app would do with the menu. So that's kind of my vision for that. But otherwise, that's pretty much